In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft your website from zero to hero using WordPress, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking website up and running using a ready-made template that you can fully customize to match your brand. This is perfect for personal portfolios, freelancers, or anyone who wants a clean website without starting from scratch. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, once you've logged into your WordPress site, go straight to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where everything starts. From here, you'll be managing themes, pages, and all your website settings. Next, on the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. This is where you control how your website looks. Here, make sure you select the Astra theme. Astra is lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with starter templates, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. If Astra isn't installed yet, you can install and activate it before moving on. Once Astra is active, stay under Appearance and click on Starter Templates. This feature allows you to import a fully designed website in just a few clicks. In the search bar, type Personal Portfolio. You'll now see a variety of pre-built designs that you can use as a foundation for your site. Take a moment to browse through them and pick one that fits your style or the purpose of your website. After selecting a template, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your website. This usually includes choosing a page builder, like Elementor, confirming your logo, colors, and basic site details. Don't worry if you're not sure about everything yet, because you can always change these settings later. Once the setup process is complete, the template will automatically be imported into your website. Now go ahead and visit the front end of your website to review your newly created template. At this point, you should see a fully functional website with pages, images, and content already in place. This is where the zero to hero transformation really starts to feel real. Next, it's time to make the website your own. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages or Posts, and open one of the pages using Elementor. From here, you can easily edit text, images, and sections. Update things like your contact information, about section, services, and social links. Everything is drag and drop, so no coding is required. Take your time making small changes and preview them as you go. This is how you turn a generic template into a personalized website that represents you or your brand. Once you're happy with your edits, save your changes and review your site again. And just like that, you've successfully crafted your website from zero to hero using WordPress and Astra. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.